Hello everybody. So today we're going to do some transplanting. And these are the little parsleys. Oh hey, look who's here. Hi. Hi Pumpkin. Well, that is our little cat Matilda, and she loves the sunshine. Hi baby. Anyway, back to our plants. So these are the parsleys I took out yesterday. Or I showed you yesterday. Look, she wants to help. Hi. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So I'm going to poke 5 holes in here. And I'm going to go ahead and plant those in the soil. This is actually Pro Mix. I like it. I've been using it for a long time and it seems to work well for me. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to take our little seedlings there and put them right in there. Doesn't that look cute? How cute. Here we go. Trying to be super careful with these little babies. Okay. This one here got nommed on by Max, the other cat, because he just thinks it's wonderful to eat the parsley. So normally I wouldn't be doing this, you know, taking them out of the water but you know what? They're just so sad looking. And I thought, well, gee, you know what? Let's go ahead and put them in dirt or the Pro Mix to see, because you know I've always done really well with Pro Mix, and I just want to see, you know, let's do an experiment and see if it's going to work in this. So that's what I'm doing today, just a little repotting of the parsleys. Later on, or tomorrow, I'll probably do the beets, or possibly even the few little catnips I have. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and if you like the video, please go ahead and click like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.